you have to come down to this place and click on this dab, and once that is done, this interface will open where you see search or enter website URL. Then the website URL, which has already been made available for you at the Telegram channel and in the description area of this particular video, you go ahead and you paste it. It might not look exactly like this, but paste it and you search for that particular website. Actually guys, as you can see, this is Metavax. This is Metavax, and we could go ahead and open this and change it from Ethereum to Smartchain. Yes, change it to Smartchain, and Smartchain is being owned by Binance, and they offers us lesser network fee once you are collecting airdrops like this. So guys, after that, you go through this website, take your time, go through this website and do your personal research, because that is necessary as well. So on that note, what we have to do is to go ahead and click on guys, you can see we are about to claim 5 Metavax token, and in this place you can buy this particular token. So I urge you to buy this token, because this token is actually a potential token that you wouldn't like to miss for any single reason. So guys, go ahead and put the amount you want to buy of this token in this place, and you click on this place to buy this particular token. So I have always advised, buy this token and keep on hold, because it's going to become something greater in the future. But please, while you are buying, do not be greedy in your buying. Buy what you can actually afford to lose, because there is no guarantee to airdrop business. So that being said guys, we come down. Actually in this business now, you can see that the owners of this business are giving out they've appropriated 40% for the BNB and 50% for their coin, in case you want to go ahead to refer people into this particular product. This is what you are going to get actually in their reward, and their reward is instantly. So that being the case guys, you can see enter your BEP20 wallet address, and their BEP20 wallet address is the receiving address of this particular token once you have collected it. So copy it and enter it in this particular place, and once you have done that, you click on this place to generate the link, and click on this place to copy the link which has already been generated with this system. So guys, it is necessary that you go down and make your personal research. You can see the way they have appropriated to dish out this particular token. 5% is for airdrop, 30% is for pre-sale, and 5% is for the team, while 10% is for foundation, which include advertisement and other things. So guys, please do well to join their social media handle in order to get acquainted with whatever information that they will likely dish out in respect to this particular token. So guys, once you have done the needful, and this token is going to be listed very soon, and this is the listing price, and the listing is going to take place on the 1st of May 2022. So I urge you, please do not wait to this actual date, because I've seen a case whereby an airdrop got exhausted before the stipulated time and date. So that being said guys, we are going to go ahead to claim this 5 Metavax token into our wallet, and we open up and we click on this connect to be able to connect our wallet into this, and you see smart contract core load guys. So that is what it is, and in this case the owners of this particular token are not collecting much. They are only collecting $76 76 cents only into their wallet, and their network fee is fair enough as well. But we are going to go ahead to reduce the network fee just a little further in this gas limit. The first 8 that is in that gas limit, we are going to replace it with 6, and once that has been done, we'll go ahead to click on this save. But if what you had here does not necessarily tally with what I have in my own, you might leave it the way it is and go ahead to click on that approve. And that being said guys, we are going to click on this approve, and the peradventure you do not see approve in your own, but you see insufficient BNB, simply means you do not have enough BNB to claim this particular token at this point in time. So that being said guys, we just go ahead and click on this approve, because you could get BNB on Binance or any other place you wish to. And once that is done guys, you see the website load, and bring us back. So we go ahead and we click on this exit and we click on this wallet. So that being done, guys, the next thing we have to do is to visit the Telegram channel where the contract address of this particular token has already been made available for you. So guys, let's go to Telegram channel now. Having come back from the Telegram channel with the contract address of this particular token, we go up here, we click on that place to get it open, and once that is done, we press the contract address in this search and that search area. And once that is done, guys, you can see this. We go ahead to click on this add custom token. So guys, the next thing we have to do is to change this network from Ethereum to Smartchain, because that's the blockchain at which you are already working with. We click on that. So that being the case, do not type anything manually. It's not necessary. All you have to do is just go ahead and click on this paste. Yes, click on that paste and every other thing has aligned itself. This is Metavax and the decimal is 18. Having done all that, the last but not the least of the things we need to do now is to go ahead to click on this done. And once that is done, boom, guys, you have to wait. They have given us 5 Metavax token into our wallet, and this exactly how to get this particular token into our wallet without missing out anything. So guys, in case you are new to this channel, go ahead and click that red subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified each time we upload a valuable video like this. Yes, share this video to your loved ones. You never can tell who has been in need of this type of video for a very long time but cannot get a hands on it. Yes guys, give us a thumb up. That is going to help us and help you as well to rank on YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much for being there from the beginning of this video to this time. Remain blessed.